Welcome to the instructions video for the Sled Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you analyze sled dynamics by calculating friction forces, applied forces, and acceleration across horizontal surfaces. Whether you're designing winter equipment or studying physics, this calculator simplifies complex force calculations. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key values. First, input the mass of your sled in kilograms. Let's use 50 kilograms as an example. Next, enter the coefficient of friction between your sled and the surface. For packed snow, we'll enter 0.1. Then, input your applied force in newtons. Let's try 100 newtons. The calculator will determine the friction force acting against motion, calculate the net force available for acceleration, and show you the resulting acceleration in meters per second squared. These results help you understand whether your applied force is sufficient to move the sled and how quickly it will accelerate. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out for all your engineering calculation needs.